Well, hello, good evening. It's a very dark, windy evening here on the Isle of Bute. Well, the bike's coming on beautifully actually. It's coming on really well. But I had a little issue with the side panels, funnily enough. Well, the right side one fits perfectly. The left side one wouldn't. And I came to the conclusion, I remember when I got the side panels, they were different colours, but I'm actually wondering if these are the right side panels for this year of bike. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure there's lots of experts out there who tell me that I'm being a dumbass. but this left-hand one has been giving me some grief. I've got the Oddie clips. I've got the long one for the rear on that side, but it was still way too short. And also, this side panel was being held off by the battery bracket. So I had to cut a little slot in it. I'll show you actually.